Aloha Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Tuesday, April 28th. Our cumulative number of confirmed cases remains at 21, but we have some very good news to share today. Our one active case was released from the hospital yesterday and is recovering from COVID-19. This means we have no active cases of COVID-19 at this time, and all positive cases have either recovered or returned home on the mainland. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated every day at noon. Yes, the fact that our active cases is now 0 warrants a congratulations to all of you for exercising self-discipline over the past several weeks. We also want to express our gratitude to those visitors who have either decided not to travel here during this time or who have carefully followed the rules of our mandatory quarantine. Because of your collective efforts, we've been able to contain the spread of COVID-19 here on Kauai for the time being. But as always, we must proceed with cautious optimism. We have to continue to be diligent and careful in our personal hygiene and how we interact with one another. There is no doubt that we will see more cases of COVID-19 on Kauai at some point, but if we remain vigilant and maintain our healthy habits, we can manage those cases as they arise without seeing a severe spike. This means that for the foreseeable future, we will need to wash our hands regularly, clean surfaces often, avoid touching our face, wear masks, and keep our distance from others. Scientists and health officials tell us that this is the most effective way for us to keep the virus from spreading. And the experts continue to tell us that the better we can be at practicing these guidelines in our everyday lives, the faster we can get out of our homes and back to work. Speaking of getting back to work, we know the growing number of statewide and county emergency rules have become complicated and hard to follow. So we plan to simplify this information to make it easier for all of us to understand. We'll have an update on tomorrow's video with more details. As we continue to discuss the importance of good hygiene and health habits, here's one thing you should never do. Folks, please do not ever ingest disinfectants or cleaning products. Yes, cleaning surfaces is important, but cleaners and disinfectants should be used on surfaces only, such as your keyboard, countertops, or inside your vehicle. Anything other than hand soap or hand sanitizer should not be used on and never in your body. The companies that make Clorox and Lysol have issued warnings that their products are never to be consumed or injected. It is also important not to mix cleaning products, since this can cause dangerous chemical reactions. Some of these products can burn your skin, eyes, or be fatal if ingested. Yes, we know people are making jokes about this topic. This information seems obvious to many, but since the COVID-19 crisis began, calls to poison control centers regarding cleaning products and disinfectants have gone up 20%. Nearly half of these victims are children, so please keep these products away from children. Read the labels and follow directions when using cleaning and disinfection products. If you have an incident in which someone is in distress from chemical exposure, call the Poison Center at 1-800-222-1222. The best way to stay healthy is to eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, refrain from drugs and alcohol, and get your exercise. As a reminder, Governor Ige clarified over the weekend that exercising on the beach, such as walking or jogging, is allowed. However, sunbathing on the beach is prohibited, so please do not loiter. Another recent announcement from Governor Ige now confirms that florists will be able to begin operations on May 1st. So long as they're able to conduct operations in a way that is safe for employees and customers. Once again, florists will be able to open for business on May 1st. And remember, Mother's Day is on Sunday, May 10th. Hint, hint for all the dads out there. Mahalo to our team at the Agency on Elderly Affairs. They purchased MREs, or Meals Ready to Eat, for kupuna receiving home-delivered meals, congregate meals, or adult daycare services. The MRE cases were provided in addition to home-delivered meals and included 15 meal packets in each case. Home-delivered meals are prepared by Kauai Economic Opportunity. Those wishing to receive home-delivered meals must meet eligibility criteria. For more information, please call the county's Agency of Elderly Affairs at 241-4470. As a reminder, the Kauai Medical Clinic in Kapa'a is now offering specimen collection Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The clinic will also offer 2 specimen collection events this week at Anainaho in Kilauea. Those 2 events will be held from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Wednesday, April 29th, and Friday, May 1st only. Again, those 2 events will be held at Anainaho in Kilauea. Drive-through specimen collection also continues daily at Wilcox Medical Center and on weekdays at Kauai Veterans Memorial Hospital. In order to be tested, all sites require an order from a healthcare provider. Also, bring your ID and insurance card if you have one. The Department of Education is continuing its free grab-and-go meals program for KK 18 years and younger on Kauai. Participating schools now include Kekaha Elementary, Waimea High School, Koloa Elementary, Chiefess Kamakahele Middle School, Kapa'a High School, and Kilauea Elementary School. Breakfast pickup is from 7:30 to 8 a.m., and lunch is from 11:30 a.m. to 12 noon. Once again, Kauai, as we continue to make forward progress on our COVID-19 response, the following safety precautions will become increasingly important. Stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, keep a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Kauai, we can do this. Hang in there. Take care of one another. God bless and aloha.